Yeah, man. So this video was from last month, March 28th at 12 a.m. ish. Yeah, I uploaded a YouTube Shorts. Somebody made a comment in the Shorts that in the Shorts I was saying if I was making a left turn from Wawada onto Spear, like perpendicular to that intersection, I would have been T-bone at 60 mile per hour. But some clown don't understand English and had to said I would not be T-bone if I was making a left, but it's all good, you know. Yeah. So the in the first clip is the intersection of the ball arena, or right next to the ball arena, Wawada and Spear. Yeah. That dude, the dude in the Dodge was doing. My estimate is 60 mile per hour running that red light. And then the one on 17th Street in downtown, yeah, they kind of run the red light, but both intersection was red, so it was green for the pedestrian. Yeah, but I think that same night I probably saw like 3 of those people just running red light like crazy. But the craziest one was that Dodge. I think it's the Dodge Challenger or something. Yeah, some sort of Dodge. Yeah, he was ripping through that intersection at 60 mile per hour. Yeah, no joke. I got the Dodge one both on front cam and rear cam on my Venture N4. And oh yeah, please check out the link to buy the Venture N5. Yeah, if you want to support the channel, or yeah, if you want a good if you guys want a good dash cam camera, Anyways, thank you for watching, fam. More dash cam footage coming. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell. Please watch the whole video. And yeah, we're very, very close to 100K. Thank you for all love and support. See you guys on the next one. Peace.
The pickup will be on the right.
Yes. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Doing well, doing well.
I'm ready to go home.
All right, I hear you.
Thank you.
Brittany, right?
Yes.
7610
Pennsylvania Court?
Got it.
Yeah.
150 feet. Turn left on East 10th Avenue. Then turn
There's a lot of
left
drunk
on
people on the
Street.
road tonight.
I could imagine that. It's spring break right
There's
now.
like
for
two
some people.
dudes
Yeah.
out of state, license plate, like running
I
red
was
lights.
gonna say it's spring break, so I know
Yeah.
people are crazy right now. I'm gonna make a phone call. Is that okay?
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay,
Go
cool.
for it.
I just
go.
want to make sure.
You're good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And you could turn the music as much as you want.
Well, if it's too loud, you probably
No,
can't.
I was like, you turn it up as
Oh.
much as you want.
I got you. Thank you.
In 350 feet, turn left on Lincoln Street. In 1.1 miles, turn left on 20th Street.
The third time.
Wild.